Hi Ved! Ved's ABC Book by Allie Mae.
A. A is for alligator. B. B is for bees. C. C is for cat. D. D is for dinosaur. E. E is for elephants. F. F is for fox. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for horses. I is for inchworm. J. J is for jaguar. K. K is for kangaroo. L. L is for llama. M. M is for monkey. N. N is for numbat. O. O is for owl. P. P is for parrots. Q. Q is for quail. R. R is for rabbit. S. S is for snake. T. T is for turtle. U. U is for unicorn. V. V is for vulture. W. W is for worms. X. X is for xeris. Y. Y is for yak. Z. Z is for zebra.